So hello guys, we're going to do the bootable USB. First thing is that to download the Windows 11 file and the Rufus, and then click the Rufus. After that, after clicking the and select the USB name, and then after that click select the Windows 11 file, and after that select the Windows installation and check the BIOS setup. Choose the MPR and then start, and may lalabas na warning, then click yes. After that, wait natin na matapos yung pag-install, and after matapos ng pag-install, just check the file sa USB, and done, naboot na natin yung USB. First thing is, plug natin yung bootable flash drive sa ating device and then turn on, and press delete keyboard para makapag-in tayo sa BIOS setup. So, pag lumabas na yung BIOS setup, is pupunta tayo ng hard drive, BBS priorities, and makikita nyo yung boot option number 1 and boot option number 2. So, lilipat lang natin yung boot option number 2 sa boot number 1, and then press enter lang natin and piliin yung boot option 2 para magpalit sila. And after nun, save lang natin siya. Press lang natin yung F10 and then save config and click yes. Then wait natin mag-boot yung computer and press any key to boot USB. And wait natin lumabas yung settings, then click next and install now. And wait natin siya. Then accept the license term, then click next. Dito naman, if kung gusto nyo ng custom or upgrade and gusto nyo, since gusto ko ng custom, so custom yung click ko and click nyo. Since 128 lang naman yung gigabyte ng SSD, hindi na siya ipapartition natin. Then click next and then wait lang natin matapos ang installation ng Windows, and may lalabas na Windows need to restart, and then after that magre-restart na siya, and then wait ulit after that. Pagka-open ng device is may mga konting setup lang such as Wi-Fi accounts and etc. And then, okay na, updated na siya sa Windows 11. Thanks for watching guys!